What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add background color on Lucidchart. So let's get started. So first off, you need to head over to the Lucidchart's website, and from here, if you are new to Lucidchart, simply click on sign up for free, and you can also sign in via Google, Microsoft or Slack. But if you already have an account, on the right side, you will see the option of login. Click on this and then log in with your account. After that, when you have logged in, you will be redirected to the home page of Lucidchart. From here, if you are new to Lucidchart, you can just simply click on new and then create your new Lucidchart. You just hover to this Lucidchart and then click on blank document, or you can also create from a template. But if you already have created some flowchart or dashboards in Lucidchart, you can open them. Let's say I'm opening this. This is my recent one, and after opening you will see that this is my flowchart. But if you open a new document, you will see this blank space like this. So you just need to see any of the blank space and right click there, and after clicking you need to click on document settings. Now from here, come to the canvas and page, and from here you can see the background color. Just click on this white color and then you can change the background color to any of the color that you like. You can hover to different types of color and they will preview in the background. As you can see, let's say I like this color and this one too, so I can just keep whatever color I like, and when I am done I'll just simply click on that color and that color will be applied. And when I am done, I'll just simply close it, and as you can see, my background color has been added. So this is how you can add a background color on Lucidchart. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.